Angor kisde numunu meta apara ni keche biana laijo tem kosike o district angonalo na Aipuc. Ido raida ko nada kirotom ebe kisilibon yeside pol araibona Aipuc.
They have taken this as a day to preach about this in Karamoja, about the insecurity that is prevailing in Karamoja, that has taken the attention of people. So at one point I thought like my people had misinterpreted the theme, but just because of the pain they go through, because of insecurity, you realize that they have diverted and focused, turned all their guns to preaching about peace.
Karamoja aberu nyesdere pirilo da ekal ido nyesde gogo ngaswama ngini borekire imorarite ito na idukio na ada itogoe ido to manasubana nu nyesda poni tojo kare dobera we jiri loda ikamnara keda Aipuc nara Angorono epo nyesda kwane dupo siyari tolu epa ikinetera sa puser.
So much oppressed because a man goes for rape, at the end of the day you hear he has been killed, and that's a very big loss to the community. So the women are so much oppressed with this insecurity.
Region, the women are marginalized. They are the breadwinners. They are the engineers, the building constructors. They are the ones who shoulder all the responsibilities of the family, while the men just sit and wait for food to be brought on the table.
Children used to access milk when cows are within. So women are now getting malnourished because cows are away. They have had to engage themselves into charcoal burning and very negative coping mechanisms. They have had to go and cut the trees. They have had to go and gather. Like the first Stone Age people, they are now eating leaves. Leaves of trees that Karamojans have not eaten. We have not known now how to eat this Egyptian, how to call it koreto. There is a tree called koreto. Echoma in Teso.
Ide ngare nok kes kwane lipata Angorom achamu nido kwa na ingara kina iwe jiri lo ikamnara keda Aipuc tetere do kwa na Apollo ebongnune Karamoja.
Women are ready to advocate for peace. Women are ready to march, and now they have already started. Recently we had a meeting between the Pokot and the Pian, and the women were at the lead advocating for peace, asking for men to refrain from raiding.
Should not be left alone to fend for the family while the men sit back and relax. So today we are calling upon the women of Karamoja region and Aipuc as a district to stand up alongside their men and raise that voice that together they can achieve more.
It's the reason as to why I call all women in Karamoja to stand up tall on their feet and stop this vice and inform whenever these plans are being generated in their communities, in their households. And I also want to promote, encourage women. We do the peace caravans.
Eraile karulo yare tanyo neda bongo kinatare Karamoja akirono da koko ida jure nyezde rongo itolo so ipotolo ikechelu da demio na imudun kwenye mama tionzine utai bongo kwa Godfred Eyoku TV East Moroto.